guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching, reviewing, talking about the 7 new Catrice Iconails nail polishes. These are regular polishes, you don't have to cure them or anything like that, and they are all just released from the new spring summer Catrice Cosmetics update. I have purchased these colors myself. They contain, I think it's like 10 or 11 milliliters a bottle, and they are €2.99 here in the Netherlands, so like €3 and you're good to go. Prices may vary depending where you live, so keep that in mind. They might be a little bit more expensive or less expensive depending where you live. So yeah, there are 7 new colors in total, and of course I had to get them all because I'm a nail polish enthusiast, hoarder, collector, you name it. I just love nail polishes. It's as simple as that. But yeah, I got all of the colors. And I am going to swatch them on my thumbnail. This is my natural nail, but there is a little bit of like a gel top coat on here because there was a little tear in one of my sidewalls and I simply didn't want to cut all of my nails short yet. So yeah, that is just why there already is a little bit of shine on my nail. It's just a little bit of gel polish top coat to strengthen my nails and actually to make sure that I grow out the hair and have long, strong, natural nails again. So yeah, if you are curious to see all of the swatches, please keep on watching. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But thank you so much for watching in advance. I love you so much. I really hope you like it. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below, and yeah, I'd love to see you in one of my next videos as well. So let's get into the swatching and just showing you the bottles up close first, because the colors actually have their numbers on the front lately. That is something that is a little bit new still to the Iconails collection nail polishes by Catrice. As I mentioned, I have bought these myself. I've actually tried to get them in like the physical like drugstore where I always go to for like 3 or 4 times, but it took ages for these polishes to actually fully come in stock at my local drugstores. So I just decided to purchase them online from that same exact drugstore once I saw that they were available. So yeah, it actually took a really long time, but these polishes have been out in stores since March 2021 and they will be in stores at least until I think it's like September or October, because that is when the new update for fall winter will arrive. And of course not all polishes will be discontinued. I'm pretty sure that these will stay in their collection for a longer period of time. But let's continue with the first color, and this one is such a beaut. I had super high hopes for this one because when I saw it on the brush itself, this one is number 105 by the way. It is, oh, it is gorgeous. I don't really feel like it is a super spring-like color. I would like more likely use this in fall winter, but it is a stunner though. And as I mentioned, I had pretty high hopes for it because when I saw the color on the brush, I was like, this is going to be a super opaque one. And as you can see right here with that first coat, and it isn't even like a super thick layer or something like that. With that first coat, it was already like 90% opaque. And I love it. It is a gorgeous, rusty, like orangey, very deep, metallic kind of nail polish. There's a lot of depth in there because there's so much metallic pigment and just shimmer going on in there. It is gorgeous. One plus side to this polish is, of course, Catrice is vegan, cruelty free. They don't have like creepy like ingredients in their products, and they recycle a lot as well, but they are also very inexpensive. These are €2.99 in euros here in the Netherlands, so yeah, I love that. And they also have a really nice rounded edge brush. But yeah, this one was Rusty Rust number 105. It is gorgeous. I love it so much. But let's continue with the second one, because this one is pretty much one of my favorites as well, even though it is a green color. This one is called Olives and Wine, number 106. Oof, this color reminds me of, I think like a year and a half ago, I used to wear a lot of tones like this. Catrice actually had a color back then which was kind of similar to this, maybe a little lighter even, and I wore it so much. It is such a gorgeous stone to combine with one of my favorite colors, which is pink, and especially a dusty rose pink is super stunning with an olivey like army green kind of color like this. Once again, I don't really feel like it is super spring summery, but it definitely is a color that you can wear all year round. As far as my opinion goes, I feel like every color can be worn every time or every single month of the year. There are no rules to nail art and nail polish in my opinion. No matter your gender or where you're from or your age or anything like that, just wear whatever you want to wear, because at the end of the day it is just nail polish and you can remove it if you don't like it. But yeah, I pretty much love this color. Once again, the pigmentation is spot on, definitely opaque within just 2 coats. Like the formula of these polishes is like bomb.com as well. I'm like never actually disappointed with the Iconails collection by Catrice Cosmetics, because they are so good, and once again so affordable and pretty easy to get by as well, especially if you live here in Europe. But let's continue with the second color already. Oh, I'm so excited. You can really like hear whether or not I'm really excited about a specific collection or update just by the way I talk, because I tend to ramble a lot, and just you can just hear in my voice if I like something or not, you know? But yeah, this next one is number 107. It is a beautiful peachy, salmony, corally kind of color. It is kind of like those tones that you could easily describe as a pastel neon, but I don't feel like it is the brightest pastel like orangey or salmony color that I have in my collection. I even think that the similar kind of color that Essence came out with just recently in their Shine Less and Go collection, I think that one is even a little bit more bright compared to this one. But once again, they are quite similar, and if you're really on a budget, go for the one by Essence Cosmetics, because that one is only €1.69 if I remember correctly, and this one is almost €3. So yeah, pick your battles when it comes to that. If you have a small budget, definitely go for the Essence ones. But yeah, once again, €3 is a steal in my opinion. And the bottles by Catrice Cosmetics are bigger as well. But yeah, I really love this color. It is just fun and festive. And oh, this one is called Peach Me, by the way. Number 107. I think I did mention the number but the name, but of course you can just see it on the bottle. So yeah, let's continue to my ultimate favorite from this new update. This one is 108. It is a gorgeous yellow, soft, lemony kind of color. I pretty much love it. It is just so cute and adorable, and I mentioned this in a lot of other videos as well. I'm really into yellow colors at the moment, and this is just a beautiful pastel lemon yellow. Oh, and the name of this one is Pastel Lemon. Of course, you could already see me showing that on the back of the bottle. But yeah, I love this color. It is a little bit more sheer compared to the other colors so far with that first coat. But never judge a polish by its first coat, because the second coat pretty much levels out completely. And yeah, if you work with thin coats and you feel like the second coat isn't opaque enough, definitely just go in with a third thin coat, let it dry completely for like 10 minutes or something, and then go in with your top coat. Always apply thin coats instead of thick ones. If you feel like I want to be done quick, just go for 2 thin coats, because if you're going to apply a thick coat, it will need more time to fully settle, harden out and dry. Trust me, I've been there, done that. I've had crinkles in my manicure, and it's just not a pretty sight, you know? But yeah, this color is definitely one of my favorites. I'm going to wear it so much this summer, just to brighten up my like my mood, I'd say. Especially on rainy days and the sun isn't out, this will definitely be your sunshine for the day or the week or however long you're going to wear that yellow polish. Next color is called Sneakers and Denim. This one is 109. If you're curious, definitely check out these polishes for yourself. I'm always in love, and especially with their darker creamy colors like this one. Like, it isn't a super dark color, but I've seen a lot of navy blues, dark blues, grayish blues this spring summer in a lot of different brands and collections. So yeah, definitely check this one out, because once again, pigmentation is flawless. I love this. Like, seriously, if you have shorter nails, I am sure you can just wing it with one coat. But if you're like me and you have longer nails and you want to have like a super opaque manicure, definitely go in with that second coat after your first coat is fully dry. And of course, always remember to use a base coat, because a base coat doesn't only protect your nail from staining or discoloration, it also makes sure that your colored polish has a good sticky base to grab onto, and actually make sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time as well. Of course, also remember to apply a top coat, which is something that I didn't do, or I usually don't do for my swatch videos, because, you know, it takes up a lot of time, and I'd rather show you the colors to their full capacity as they are, without any additional stuff added on top. So yeah, this was number 109. I think it's a cute color. It's like a gray with a couple of drops of blue in there. I feel like it's more gray than blue, but that might just be my personal opinion and perception. So definitely let me know what you think about that bluish gray color. But next up is Grapeful. I love the name of this one. Suits the color perfect, because this is a grapey, kind of like a grape drink kind of color, you know, like we used to have in the old days. Like, they were my least favorite flavor, because I hate grape sodas. Like, it's disgusting. I really don't like that flavor. But yeah, the color is pretty cute, and this one is 110. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, because I'm just rambly and excited about these colors that I sometimes even forget what I just mentioned. So yeah, sorry about that. But this color, once again, that first coat is bomb. I love it so much. It's like 90% opaque already. Once again, if you have shorter nails, I'm sure you can just rock it with one coat. Definitely use a good base coat underneath this color, because I am pretty sure this one will be a stainer to your natural nail plate. So yeah, if you don't have a super good base coat that actually protects and prevents staining, you can just add a couple of layers as well. It is just base coat, so it doesn't make your nails super thick or anything like that. So yeah, I would really recommend to even invest in a really good base coat, or even add a couple of layers, or maybe 2 different base coats. That is something that I love to do as well, and it definitely helps me out, at least with any discoloration or patchiness or staining on random spots on the nail, you know. So yeah, the last color from their new spring summer 2021 update is called Sahara Sand. This one is 111. This color really, like, I kid you not, this color blew me away with its pigmentation, because it is a beautiful beigey nude kind of color. It is one of those nude colors that will look stunning on any skin tone. Like, seriously, this would look so gorgeous if you would have a super dark skin. I think that would be gorgeous. Like, oof. Like, I can get really happy and enthusiastic when it comes to colors like these, because they're just gorgeous, and I love the fact that it will fit a lot of different people as well. It is really wearable, it applies like a dream. Like, that first coat, just look at that. Isn't that amazeballs? Like, really, I'm so obsessed with this color. It's insane. I love it so much. Once again, it was like 90% opaque already, which is so good for a lighter, creamy, beigey, nude kind of color like this, because usually colors like these tend to be a little sheer, a little watery, but the substancy and just the pigment in this polish is awesome. I love it. And then again, if you remind yourself that these are only €3, like €2.99 in euros, That's insane. That's like mind-blowing. Like, how do they do it? I have paid so much more for polishes that were way and way less when it comes to quality, pigment, and so on. Yeah, I pretty much love them. But yeah, this was my entire review and swatches of the new Catrice polishes. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.